So the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus was introduced at MWC a couple of days ago. So I'm super excited. I pre-ordered my device on Samsung.com, and as you can see right here, March 14th is the date that I should get my device. So for me, I'm calling that day Samsung Galaxy S9 Day. So you do what you gotta do. You call in sick from work, you don't go to work, you change your plans, you do what you gotta do to make sure you get your phone on that day. Anyways, until then, let's go ahead and compare the S9 to the iPhone X and see how it stacks up. Galaxy S9 comes with either the Snapdragon 845 or the Exynos 9810, depending on where you are in the world. And of course, the iPhone X comes with the A11 Bionic. Looking at the benchmark scores right now, the A11 is posting the much higher scores, but the Snapdragon 845 or the Exynos 9810 are not slow chips by any stretch of the imagination. Galaxy S9 comes with 6GB of RAM for the Plus model and 4 on the smaller phone, whereas the iPhone X only comes with 3GB of RAM. So when I do the speed test, it should be interesting what type of difference that will make. On paper, the Galaxy S9 should do much better on the multitasking part of the test, so make sure you stick around for that video when it drops. Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus come with a 5.8-inch or a 6.2-inch Infinity Super AMOLED display respectively. I think it's pretty much safe to say that these screens will be the best screens in the market on the smartphone, along with the Galaxy Note 8. iPhone X screen, ironically, is made by Samsung, does have that dreadful notch. Some people hate it, some people love it. For me personally, I think the phone would be much better if there was no notch. I mean, imagine the iPhone X with just no notch for a second. I mean, that would just be sick. Both phones have a glass front and back, surrounded by a metal frame. The S9's camera is flush with the phone body. iPhone X does have a big camera bump in the back, so if you lay that phone flat on the table, it will rock around a little bit. Easy fix is just throw a case on it. iPhone X should be overall easier to hold due to its smaller size, although if that's important to you and you want an Android phone, you should opt for the smaller Galaxy S9. Both phones have dual cameras in the back. Both offer optical image stabilization for both of their lenses. Both can do 4K at 60 frames per second. Both have 2x optical zoom, live focus for the S9, and portrait mode on the iPhone X. Both have animated emojis, and emoji on the iPhone X, and AR emoji on the Galaxy S9. It has a dual aperture camera. You can change the aperture from f2.4 in daylight situations or to f1.5 for your low light shot. It can film 960 frames per second for super slow motion video. The Galaxy S9 has a fast charger that comes in the box, and with the iPhone X, it's capable of fast charging, but you have to buy a separate charger. Both phones have wireless charging. Galaxy S9 has iris scanning, face scanning, intelligent scanning where they combine the iris and face scanning, and of course you can use your fingerprint and a pattern or a code to unlock your device. For the iPhone X, it has Face Unlock, which makes a 3D map of your face to unlock your phone. Both phones offer stereo sound in the bottom firing and the top front firing configuration, but I gotta give a shout out to Samsung for retaining the headphone jack on the Galaxy S9. iPhone X doesn't have a headphone jack, hashtag dongle life. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think about these two phones. Are you gonna cop an S9? Are you gonna cop an iPhone X? How do you think these two phones compare? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.